we talk about manasi seva. We can serve Krishna with our external senses. We can make it puggery or what do you call it, kopin or dhoti or whatever that is. Summertime outfit of Radharaman. It looks like just a kopin. He's really a coward boy. Langoti. He's got his langoti. Choti langoti. Choti langoti. Brahmachari. Krishna's two brahmachari. It's Gopal Tapani Upanishad. He's the ideal brahmachari. No better brahmachari than Krishna. So we can make with your hands and body, but you can make in your mind also. Because with your external senses, you may not be able to get the color you want, or the texture you want, or the cloth you want. But in your mind, you can have all the things you want. Oh, we don't have to lament, if I had this cloth, or I had that cloth, if I had this jewelry, that jewelry, I could make such a nice turban, such a nice langoti or dhoti, whatever, choti dhoti. For Radharamanji, no, there's no loss, there's no sadness, because then you sit down and tune in your mind. Travel, get that cloth, produce everything in your mind, and you'll be just as blissful.